The Prefab X Flip redefines compact living with its modern foldable prefab design. Engineered for mobility and speed of installation, it transforms from a compact module into a fully functional living space in hours. Its minimalist structure maximizes efficiency while incorporating energy-saving technologies like solar integration and advanced insulation. The Flip's sleek interior offers flexible layouts suited for work, leisure, or living, making it ideal for urban housing, remote retreats, or emergency shelters. Built with durable, eco-friendly materials, it balances style, comfort, and sustainability. Prefab X Flip is the future of adaptable living, designed to follow you wherever life takes you. Cabin Anna is a breathtaking architectural innovation inspired by nature's rhythm and human connection to the outdoors. Its unique sliding shell design allows the home to expand or contract, transforming from a cozy enclosed cabin into a light-filled open space. Crafted with timber and glass, it blends seamlessly into any landscape, offering an immersive living experience. Perfect as a seasonal retreat or permanent home, Cabin Anna provides flexibility, comfort, and a deep sense of harmony with nature. It represents a bold new way to live, where architecture adapts to the environment and the needs of its inhabitants. The Smart Dome is a futuristic dome-shaped prefab designed for resilience and sustainability. Its aerodynamic structure makes it resistant to harsh weather, while its modular build allows for rapid assembly anywhere. Equipped with smart technologies and eco-friendly systems, it offers off-grid living without sacrificing comfort. Inside, the circular layout maximizes usable space while maintaining an open, modern aesthetic. From eco-resorts to emergency shelters, Smart Dome adapts to various uses, providing both strength and beauty in a single innovative package. It is more than a house, it's a sustainable lifestyle solution. The Beluchon Nano is a charming tiny house on wheels, handcrafted in France with meticulous attention to detail. Despite its compact footprint, it offers a warm, functional interior with a loft bedroom, kitchen, and living area designed for maximum efficiency. Sustainable materials and energy-efficient systems make it environmentally friendly, while its mobility offers true freedom of living anywhere. Ideal for minimalists or travelers, the Nano reflects a balance between comfort, craftsmanship, and the philosophy of living with less while enjoying more. Urban pods are sleek, futuristic modular pods designed for smart urban living. Compact yet comfortable, they can be deployed as co-living spaces, micro-hotels, or temporary housing. Built with lightweight but durable materials, they are stackable and transportable, allowing entire communities to be set up quickly in dense cities. Interiors are optimized for comfort with integrated furniture, climate control, and connectivity. Combining functionality with modern aesthetics, urban pods offer a practical response to global housing challenges while promoting efficient use of space in growing urban centers. The Huga Cabin is a Scandinavian-inspired prefab home that embodies simplicity, warmth, and sustainability. Built with natural timber and designed for energy efficiency, it creates a cozy yet modern atmosphere ideal for both permanent living and weekend getaways. Its modular system allows customization, from small retreat-sized units to larger family dwellings. Expansive windows invite natural light while connecting the interior to the surrounding landscape, creating a seamless blend of comfort and nature. With a focus on sustainable construction and a minimalist lifestyle, Hugo represents a refined balance of function, beauty, and eco-conscious living. The 3.6 meters house proves that great living doesn't require vast space. This ultra-compact home is designed to maximize every square meter with multifunctional layouts and clever storage solutions. Ideal for urban housing or as an affordable alternative dwelling, it demonstrates how compact design can deliver both style and practicality. Built from prefabricated modules, the house can be assembled quickly, making it suitable for modern cities facing housing shortages. Despite its size, it offers comfort, privacy, and efficiency, showcasing the potential of minimalist architecture in addressing global housing needs. The Mystique tent elevates camping into a luxurious outdoor living experience. Combining the mobility of a tent with the comfort of a cabin, it features durable weatherproof materials, insulated walls, and modular interiors. Designed for glamping, eco-resorts, or extended stays in nature, it offers a perfect balance between adventure and comfort. Large windows and skylights immerse residents in the natural surroundings, while integrated amenities provide a premium experience. Mystique Tent is not just a shelter, it is an invitation to live close to nature without sacrificing modern conveniences. The Eco Capsule is a futuristic, self-sustainable micro-home, designed for off-grid living anywhere on Earth. Its egg-shaped form is aerodynamic and functional, housing solar panels, a wind turbine, and rainwater collection systems. This compact dwelling provides independence from traditional utilities while offering modern comforts like a kitchenette, bathroom, and sleeping space. Eco Capsule is ideal for digital nomads, researchers, or eco-travelers seeking complete freedom. Combining cutting-edge technology with sustainable design, it represents the future of mobile living, portable, efficient, and environmentally responsible. The Houseboat by Aqua House redefines waterfront living with a floating prefab residence designed for comfort, luxury, and sustainability. Its modular structure allows customization, while eco-technologies such as solar panels and water filtration systems make it partially self-sufficient. Large glass panels provide panoramic views of the water, creating a serene and immersive living experience. Inside, the design blends contemporary aesthetics with functional layouts suitable for both leisure and full-time living. The Aqua House Houseboat offers a unique way to embrace life on the water, combining freedom, elegance, and modern innovation. Longhouse kits bring traditional design into the modern era, offering prefabricated solutions inspired by the historic longhouse structure. Built for durability, functionality, and community living, these kits allow owners to assemble spacious dwellings that retain cultural heritage while integrating modern comforts. The elongated design maximizes usable interior space and accommodates flexible layouts, ideal for families, retreats, or eco-villages. With sustainable materials and energy-efficient systems, Longhouse kits provide an affordable yet stylish option for modern housing. They embody a unique blend of timeless tradition and contemporary architecture, making them a symbol of harmony between history and innovation. Rouse cabins are minimalist hideaways designed to reconnect people with nature. Prefabricated and fully equipped, these small-scale dwellings are transportable and can be placed in remote or scenic locations. Each unit focuses on simplicity, sustainability, and comfort, with large windows that frame natural views and interiors optimized for relaxation. Rouse promotes digital detox and eco-friendly travel, offering an alternative to traditional vacation stays. Whether placed in forests, mountains, or by lakes, these cabins provide a sanctuary for peace and inspiration. RAUS is more than a cabin. It's a movement toward mindful living and conscious tourism. The Tumbleweed Elm is a compact yet elegant tiny house designed for mobility and efficiency. Mounted on wheels, it allows freedom of movement while offering a fully functional home in a small footprint. Its interiors are carefully crafted with clever storage, a loft sleeping area, and cozy living spaces. Built with high-quality materials and a timeless wooden exterior, it combines rustic charm with modern practicality. Tumbleweed Elm represents the tiny home movement's essence, living simply, sustainably, and without excess. It empowers owners to embrace minimalism while enjoying the comfort of a well-designed home on the move. Jude is a contemporary prefab dwelling that redefines minimalist living through sleek architecture and intelligent design. Compact yet spacious, it maximizes efficiency without compromising comfort. Natural materials and eco-friendly construction methods make Jude both sustainable and aesthetically pleasing. Its open-plan interior creates a sense of fluidity, while large windows provide natural lighting and a seamless connection to the outdoors. Ideal for city dwellers, weekend retreats, or eco-conscious homeowners, Jude offers a modern housing solution that blends simplicity, style, and sustainability. It's a forward-thinking approach to compact living for the modern world. The Coda Loft is an award-winning prefab house that embodies smart design, mobility, and sustainability. Compact in size but rich in features, it provides a fully functional living space with a kitchen, bathroom, living room, and sleeping loft. Its sleek, modern architecture is matched by eco-conscious materials and energy-efficient systems, making it both stylish and sustainable. Designed for easy relocation, Coda Loft can be placed in urban centers, suburbs, or natural landscapes, offering unparalleled flexibility. It's more than a house. It's a lifestyle solution for modern nomads, eco-conscious professionals, or anyone seeking a minimal yet luxurious living space. The OOD Golden House is a striking prefab dwelling designed as both a functional home and an architectural statement. Featuring sleek golden tone panels and contemporary lines, it exudes luxury while maintaining compact efficiency. Inside, the space is optimized with smart layouts, modern finishes, and sustainable systems, creating an atmosphere of elegance and comfort. The design highlights the balance between urban sophistication and eco-conscious living, making it perfect for creative professionals, modern families, or retreat getaways. With its iconic exterior and thoughtfully designed interior, the OOD Golden House represents the future of stylish, sustainable living. The Buoy Capsule is a futuristic floating microhome designed for adventurous spirits and eco-travelers. Shaped like a sleek pod, it is equipped to float on water while offering the comforts of a compact living space. With a minimalistic interior, sleeping quarters, and eco-friendly systems, it creates a sustainable way to live or travel. Ideal for lake houses, coastal getaways, or off-grid explorations, the Buoy Capsule combines mobility, innovation, and freedom. It's not just a home, but a lifestyle, bringing people closer to nature while reimagining what it means to live on water. The Loft Cube is a modular living solution designed for rooftops, urban landscapes, and remote settings. With its futuristic cubic design and panoramic windows, it transforms unused spaces into functional living areas. Prefabricated for quick installation, it integrates modern amenities, efficient layouts, and sustainable technology. The Loft Cube encourages flexible lifestyles by offering mobility and adaptability, whether for temporary housing, offices, or luxury getaways. Its transparent design fosters openness and a strong connection to surroundings, making it both practical and inspirational. It stands as a true symbol of the urban micro-living revolution. UBuild is a revolutionary flat-pack building system that empowers individuals to design and construct their own homes. Made from precision-cut wooden panels, the system allows quick assembly without requiring specialized skills. Sustainable, affordable, and highly customizable, UBuild makes architecture more accessible. Homeowners can shape layouts according to their needs, from compact cabins to larger family dwellings. Its eco-friendly ethos, modular design, and flexibility make it suitable for both urban and rural environments. UBuild is more than a building. It's a movement to democratize housing and promote sustainable living through self-build innovation. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.